the 2 minutes. So today we are discussing about the Java SPS patching here. So normally how we patch the SAP upgrades. So SAP ABAP updates. So like using the sum tool, we will do it for here. For SAP, when doing the ABAP systems, we require the stack.xml file we required. Stack.xml file we required for the ABAP based systems, right? For Java, this is optional. Java, this is optional. You don't need XML file Java system, right? Either if you want, you can download it, but it's optional. It's a optional only. So it's not required. Stack.xml file calculation of the stack.xml is not required here. So here you can select there is a option in the sum tool, that is the second option, manually prepared directory. Now you will see that option. When you open the sum tool, you will see that option here. So there is a one more method. We can use the not only sum tool for upgrading the Java system, any Java system, either the portal, ADS, PO, any systems. So either you can use the sum tool, or the small components are there. You can use the telnet tool. Telnet is the command. So you can use the OS level telnet command, telnet port to perform the patching. So you don't require here. So previously we had previous tools are we had, so JSPM and SDM tools are there. Previously old tools previously we have. So previously we used to do the patching deployments, or normally in the Java language we will call it as the deployment. In our own language we will call it as the patching, right? So deployments and everything, we will do it with these tools previously, old tools, right? So, but now when the sum tool is introduced, so these tools are deprecated. These tools are deprecated. Now we are using the sum tool or telnet tool. You can use it for Java SPS patching here. So what are the prerequisites to perform the Java patching here? It's a mandatory. As soon as you've done the installation, definitely we need to update the at least core components to the latest patch level. Why? Because some of the components will not work here. It will give the some errors, 500 internal server error, something like that. Yesterday we have seen, right? Same as like here, like that only. So Java systems. So what are the pre-work we have to, groundwork we have to do it here? So make sure you need to download all the SCA files. We have to download it, dependency files and everything. You have to download it, right? The majorly, and also you should require some space at OS level. You should require some space, and that is a very important here for Java systems. Java systems, all the deployment happens at operating system level. So space is required here. Some space is required. And also you require the SCA files, and you require either the administrator user or the J2EE underscore admin user passwords for the deployment activity, right? So here there is no shadow concept, nothing, right? Here there is no shadow concept, nothing. System, there is no shadow concept and everything. So why only shadow concept is available for the above system. Java, there is no shadow concept here, right? So this is the major prerequisites we have to take care for here, right? Then once you download it, we need to extract the sum tool here, right? So for that one, you need to log in with the SID ADM, right? So what is your SAP SID? So that is called the NJP, right? NetWeaver Java Production. Then NJP, then their user ID we have to log in, right? So I logged in with the NJP ADM. I logged in with the NJP ADM here, right? You see here. So here you see I logged in, connected to the server also. I connected here. Just check validate the patches here. Suppose if you see here UME is not working currently. The user management URLs are not working because of some bugs in the current patches. So this UME component is not responding, right? If you see here UME, so if I log in with the user ID and password here, then this UME will not work. See here 500 internal server error. So same as like if you check after the patching is completed, if you check, then you will come to know what is the issue here. right? You will come to know what is the issue. So now, okay, now you have patches are ready in the systems, right? Patches are ready in the systems here. You can see the Java software patches here, Java patches here, right? These are the software patches are available in the systems here. So along with the sum tool, you have the sum tool also available here. So what you can do, you can place the sum tool into the C drive under the USR, so SAP SID. So under the SID, so not this SID here. So we have the NGP SID here. Here we have to paste it here. Anyway, in either the above system or Java system, the concept is same. Place the sum tool into the here, right? SAP car hyphen XVF, then sum tool dot SAR file, right? SAR file here. So that is the main thing here. We need to take care here. Same way, whatever we done for above systems during the patching, same way we have to extract the files here. We have to extract the files here. So that extraction we are doing here now, right? You can see we are doing for this here. So meanwhile, let me clean up some space here. Okay, so how to start the sum tool means we have to open the command administrator command prompt. So we have to open the command prompt in administrator mode. So this is called the elevator mode, right? So we have to starting the sum tool now. So how to start the sum tool? Sum tool is the main important here. To start the starting the sum tool here. So here you need to place the file under the same as like above USR SAP SID. Under that, you need to extract the sum tool, SCP car hyphen XVF, then file name dot SAR file, you have to extract it here. The file will be created here. Then we have to open the administrator command prompt. Then, so we have to start the sum tool here. For starting the sum tool, you see here. So once it is extracted, all the files got extracted. There are some binaries will be created here. Some start, right? Some start file will be created. So then some start space config post agent. This is the command. This is the command we have to execute in the command prompt level. It will ask us to open the URL. Then we have to open the URL in the browser. So that let's see. So we will open, right? Make sure you need the administrator user password is required here, but it's very quick, not like that above. The Java patching is very quick, but until it's smooth, it is going very smooth, then we are good. But if any issues are coming, that time we may have to deal the issues and everything here. That is the main important thing here. Here, see, one SAP sum tool, how much time it is taking here, how much time it is taking here. I'm not sure whether this is the correct file or not. So I think this is the one correct file only. Why? Because sum 2.0 I have downloaded here. In the sum also we have the 2.0 and 1.0 is available here. Sum 1.0 is available. Sum 2.0 is also available here. Up to NetWeaver 7.5 we have to use the sum 1.0. After that, we have to use the sum 2.0. So that is so we have to use it for here, right? Same as like SWPM tool. So we have to use the same tools. We have to use it here also, right? So let's see here once it is extracted. Normally we should get the
Some is having 1.1 also, right?
sum 1.
Java especially.
1.1. I'm not sure that 1.1. Maybe JDA, something zero downtime, something like that. They have released, I guess. I don't know that one. But normally we will use this some 1.0 or 2.0.
Oh.
That version I have not used, I mean to say. I have not used that version. Here, how many
You
files, binaries, JS files all created, and it's like getting extracted all the files.
you have downloaded some list of files, right? Those files you have downloaded.
From
I mean,
service.
how do you know those are the files only needs to be downloaded by seeing anything in the Java level? And
These are
how?
the core components. Yesterday we have seen some core component information, right?
Yes.
Some core components we have seen, but actually all the components we have to update it. That is the main thing here. All the patches, main 60 patches we have to update it, but it may take time, right, for extracting and everything. So at least core components, if you do it in the later stage, we can download all at a time, then we can update it. Remaining things also we can update it here. So if it is not going very smooth, then there is no chance to us to download. We have to download all the patches, whatever is there, then we have to update it here. So two ways, either we can add the system into the maintenance planner, we can download it. Otherwise, we can go to the one by one, we can go. Then we have to download it here. So as I know, these components are the very core component, LM core, framework, JSPM, JWT framework, server core, engine API, so Facade. These all are the core components here, base components. So if you update other components or not, but at least core components we have to up to date. That is the recommendation from the Java always recommended. Why? Because every Friday is the patch day. Java system side is the patch day. Normally, Friday we will celebrate, right? For same also, they also celebrate for the patch day. Every Friday is the patch day in SAP. Every Friday for Java related, any one of the file will be, they will release it here. So that is called the patch day. Every Friday is the patch day. Friday or Wednesday, something maybe in the 1 year back, 2 year back, this is the Friday. Maybe recently they have changed it or not, but Friday is the patch day. One day there is a patch day for SAP. And during that time, they will release the Java patches. Why? Because it's Java patches, right? Browser level patches, all. So not sure what are the attacks, threats, so vulnerabilities we have. So that is the reason they will release the all those things here. They will release the all those things. They will release it here. So I'm in the so I have extracted it here. I'm going to folder level. So then sum, you can see the sum folder. When you extract the sum folder, why the folder is empty? Okay.
Ravindra, go to ABAP.
Yeah, I'm going. It's very slow.
Okay.
Yeah. So here in the above folder, so we have the files are there here, some start dot file. So we need to go to we have to open whatever you have opened in the command prompt mode. We have to open here. Then you need to start the some start space config host agent space, then SID. SID means NJP, right? So this is the one we have to open it here. Then it will ask us to open the URL in the browser. It will ask us to open the URL in the browser here. So I have opened the some start, then space config host agent. Why? Because some tool always connect to the config host agent. Why? Because some tool will not directly talk to their SAP system. So it will talk to the host agent, then host agent will connect to your NJP system. That is the main thing here. So what's it is going? Very slow. So CPU is okay, but yeah, it is opening slowly. You can see here. So it is opening. So restarting the host agent. Restarting the, so see here. It is connected to the SAP host agent. Then it is opened in the elevated mode, means administrator mode. Then it is setting the environmental variable. Then it will generate the URL.
At OS level, we have the PowerShell also, right? While we are opening the command prompt in the PowerShell or else as an administrator, both will be the same, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Both are the same only. It's a administrator PowerShell. Yeah, it's the same actually PowerShell.
Uh,
We can also
working with
open.
PowerShell is making-
Yeah,
working.
we can also
Yeah,
open.
please.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
We can also generate here. So we can
yeah.
also
But instead of selecting command prompt as administration, directly we can run it from PowerShell. Then
uh,
it will have the administration rights only.
right. But here the thing is we downloaded the wrong version. See here ABAP version we have downloaded. So it should not come the ABAP. So it should not be the ABAP version. That is what we have done it here. It's the wrong one. So it should come the some Java. So not only here ABAP, in front of here there is a one file should come. That is what I have looked at previously. So it should come like so some Java here in the some folder itself. You will get the SAP start. There is a one folder should come here. So this is not the correct version of the some file which we downloaded. So what we have to do? We need to delete this one. This is not the correct one. Okay. So while it is getting downloaded, let me download the correct file here. That's why I'm not closed this one. So we have 50 softwares. Go to the access.me.sap.com software center. So here, let me go back here. This is the file I downloaded, but this is the ABAP one I downloaded. It's not the so correct one. So it is available in the SL toolset. SL toolset. In the SL toolset, we go SL toolset, software logistic toolset here. Here you see the some some files are available here. Some files. So some folders are available here. So here SWPM is available here. And only SWPM software upgrade manager also should be there. Yeah, yeah, you are correct. Some 1.1 is there. So let's try to use this one. What is this exactly? We'll try to explore this one also. Maybe they have renamed, I think. 1.02, they have renamed, I think. 1.02, they have renamed, I guess, this one.
From NetWeaver 7.3 or 7.4 onwards for Java, especially this 1.1 was introduced
Okay, okay.
only for Java. We are unable to see your screen.
Yeah. Just let me open.
Oh.
Yeah, it is getting downloaded. But we have still 1.1. Maybe recently they have released this one. 1.1, some 1.1.
1.0 also sir there na?
Yeah,
One also is there.
but 1.1 is not, 1.0 is not there now, I guess. So that is the reason 1.1 they have renamed it to the, I think they have changed it to the 1.1. They have upgraded, I guess.
Does some 2.0 support other database?
Yes. Database it will support. Some tool is only for application upgrades, application patching. So it will support the database migrations, everything it will support. Oh my God, this much of flow. Okay, at last this is got downloaded. Let me copy this to C drive. C drive. Yes, sir. So let me extract this one. Suddenly it got slow. Someone started something in the back end. SAP car -SVF. I used this one. So let's see. The only one advantage here for Java patching, you don't require Java patching, you don't require the XML file. Just we can select the second option, manual prepared directory, we can update our systems. That is the one thing we can see. For above systems, the XML file is the mandatory here. XML file is the mandatory. So definitely we have to choose the XML file. What does it mean, Anshu? Type of errors occur several or now it is happening, sir. What does it mean? Slowness, you want to say?
Yes, sir, I meant to say slowness. Is it happening by now, or it used to happen several times?
No, no, I don't think. It's a, now only I see it's a very fast, but
Yeah.
it's a very slow now.
So the
But
couple
now
of
it
minutes, or I think 10 minutes earlier, I just logged into the server, which just logged into the screen. Even I was facing issues.
I think now it's fast, I
It
think.
was
Now it's
checking.
good. Maybe some
Yeah,
network.
yeah,
I
yes,
think
sir.
it's good now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sometimes local networks, right? All are these local networks. So we may face issues. And also multiple things are running on the same host. And I have not restarted the system. Weekend, right? So I have to reboot the systems here. Windows systems always it will create the trouble. Oh my God, how many files are there for a sum total? That's why they will extra uncar it, they will tar it, and they will make it like SAR file here. Why? Because if you download individually, it may take time, and also if you miss one file, so we may face the issues. That's why for every file they will zip it. How normally we will zip it, they will rar it like so SAR dot SAR, which means SAP archive.
Even for Linux, we must use the same commands and the procedure.
Right, right. Linux also same. Windows or Linux extracting is common, and also the starting the sum tool also common. Everywhere it is common. Either Windows or Linux it is common. But here we will use the sum start.bat file. There you will use the sum start.sh file. Sh file means shell file.
In Linux.
Yes, yes. Let me open the power in this mode, and I will go to the here some screen. Okay, here some screen. Then we will start now from here PowerShell. And how many files it is extracting? See document, resources, UI, themes. So then SAP, oh, many files are extracted. Oh my God. Okay, it's coming to the end finally. So JVM, JRE, bin. JVM, JRE, bin. Indiana, Guyana. What is this files? See here in Americas, Indiana, Guyana. All the files like Europe, Pacific, crypto libraries are creating. Mm. But actually, I should have extract this one before itself. But let's see. In 1.1, how many files are there? This much of time it is taking. Oh my God, almost 10 minutes, I guess.
The file size itself is 746 MB.
Yeah. But the previous file is not like, what is the size of our previous file, SAP, Java patches and some tool? It's like 570. Oh, 200 MB extra compared to that one and this one. So, still see, it is the recording here. So here we need to use the execute the startup command, not the sum start command. Sum start is for the above systems here. So startup space config host agent space so ngp. This is the command we have to give it here. Right. Startup start startup. So it's not recognizing this one. Better to open in the administrator command prompt now. PowerShell now it's not opening. PowerShell. Very slow. Resume the record. So the link is open here. See here some Java. So this Java link we have to open here. Java link we have to open into the sum tool here. For above systems we will use the sum above. For Java systems we have to use the sum Javas. We have to use it here. Then go to the browser, paste the URL, whatever the URL you copied, just paste it here. Then enter, so that it will ask the SID, ADM, user ID, and password here. So it's stopping the process. Okay, open the URL in the unsafe mode. So enter the MJP ADM. What is the SID ADM? So MJP ADM, then user ID we have to give it here. It's here, it's reached, it's going to the 90% now. So 90%, somewhat better here. Yeah, but system should be up when it is trying to hit. System should be up here. Okay, it's synchronizing the binaries, starting the process. So starting the process, waiting to start. Starting framework. Yeah, so see here, it is detected as a Java system here. So just click on the OK button. So we will get the welcome page here. Here, same as like for above systems, you won't get like, so extraction, configuration. So like here you will get the welcome page, specify the credentials here. Then we have to select the target, then confirm the target. So then in the confirm target selection, you will get the all the things here, right? So that is the main thing here for Java. For Java, so we will not directly get the roadmap steps like extraction, configuration, checks, pre-processing, same as like above. So here in the confirm target selection, you will get all those things here. In the confirm target selection, you will get these things here. But it was very quick. As I see, it was very quick for Java. Read the Java profile parameters. So select the target here. Here it will ask provide the XML location or manual prepared directory. So wherever we place the software, so that software enough in order to download the XML file and everything. So just you can give this location to the here. See here, stack.xml file or manual prepared directory. So just give this location to the sum tool. Right? Just click on the next button. That's it. You don't need to give the XML file. Here it is the optional for the Java systems. So one patch you can update, 2 patches, 3 patches, so whatever you want, you can update it here. So here, but Java is above system, somehow we can take the backup and we can recover it. But here, Java systems, most of the time it will give the trouble. So that we have to fix it some patch level. Sometimes if you miss the dependencies, so we have to fix that issues. See here, it is reading, it is verifying we download whatever the patches we downloaded, it is verifying all the patches are getting verified here. So I think it's downloaded. Even though still 98%. Let's see. So just continue. There is a one certificate it will ask it, but there is only warning, so we can continue that part. So now it is confirming the target. Now see here, you will get now extraction, configuration, checks, pre-processing, execution, post-processing, right? So in the confirm target selection, you will get all those things here. But it was very quick. Java is very quick actually compared to here. Here you won't get any shadow or nothing, just direct attack. So logs and all here we can see here in the logs folder. So what it is asking now, it is asked the user administration passwords. So then logs. Now next option is the password. So here we have to enter the administrator password, or you need to J2EE administrator. Any one of the user which is having the administrator, that password we have to give it here.
Even though if it is a purely Java system, still we have a J2EE underscore admin user.
J2EE, yeah, J2EE underscore admin user. Yes, J2EE underscore admin, J2EE underscore guest. These users will be created. It is scanning the inbox, whatever the scan inbox, whatever the softwares you have given, it is scanning that inbox, that files it is scanning here, whatever you deployed here. See here patches. These are the patches we have detected, right? So these are the patches here. So we have analyzed it. So it is analyzing these patches here, SCA files. Select the components. Yeah, I can see. So something is a rejected reason, not be cannot be updated to the higher level. It cannot be updated. So maybe cannot be updated to the higher level. These patches cannot be updated to the higher level. Rejected reason. See here it is rejecting. So it means we cannot update it to the latest levels. First we have to go to some patch level, then we have to update it here. So it's rejecting. Only EP, FLP is getting updated. Remaining all things are not getting updated. So yeah, again we need to re-download all the patches. It is rejecting. Why? Because we downloaded the latest patches from 0.0 to latest patch level. Up to minimum version we have to download. From there we have to update it, I guess. That is the main thing for Java. So that's why 0.0 direct updating to the 26, 28, that patch level is not possible. Then minimum patch level we have to update. That's why see here the few results are showing red here. So we have to work again. See here all patches are so unresolved that depend. So we have to update here. Then we have to cancel now. We have to cancel.